device uses air, can it get dirty? If the device in question is your dryer, yeah, it can. That means you should be cleaning your dryer regularly, and I'm talking about more than just the lint filter.
Clothes dryers fall into the category of appliance you barely think about until it doesn't work. A dryer is a sizable purchase and something you want to make sure works for as long as possible before you have to replace it. Now, cost aside, replacing a dryer can be a hassle with having to move everything around and get the dryer out of the house, up or down the stairs, and then bring the new one in. That's why a little maintenance can go a long way with dryers. So today we'll look at ways to keep your dryer running efficiently.
Let's start with your lint filter. If you didn't already know, the lint filter should be cleaned out after every single use.
A clogged lint trap is going to lower your dryer's efficiency and cause you problems down the line, and it can actually be a fire hazard. Google dryer fires if you don't believe me.
Keep a garbage can or a bucket near your dryer, and after every load, just pull any lint off the filter and dispose of it. When it's full, you can add it to your compost bin or even use that as campfire starter. If you find your lint filter has more than dust buildup on it, you can use dish soap, water, and a toothbrush to clean it off. Afterwards, rinse it with water, shake it off, then let it air dry.
Any material that makes it through the lint filter will end up in another deeper lint trap.
You can remove any visible lint by hand or look online for inexpensive cleaning kits that have different tools, brushes, and hoses which can help you get deeper dust and lint. I found these tools on Amazon. There's a long bristly brush that wedges deep into the trap to snag and loosen stray lint. Push it in and gently twist it around to loosen any distant bits. Then there's a tube you can attach to any vacuum to vacuum out anything that's still in there.
If you're using fabric softener or dryer sheets, you might experience a film or a buildup on the inside of your dryer drum.
Get into the habit of wiping down the inside of your dryer drum every month or so. You can use a very weak dish soap solution with water or even vinegar with water and a clean cloth. Just use a light hand and a little moisture. If you have a gas dryer, make sure whatever cleaning product you're using doesn't contain alcohol. Wipe down the inside of that drum, paying attention to the crevices and areas where things may get caught, since that's where you'll find threads, pet hair, and buildup. Using a clean, damp cloth, go over those areas again to remove any residue that may have been left behind.
If you've been lax about your dryer maintenance, or if you just want to improve the efficiency of your dryer, every year or so you can also clean out the vent hose and pipe. You can hire someone to do this for you, or if you're a bit handy in the DIY area, you can use your Lint Cleaning kit here too. You'll need to either unplug your dryer if it's electric or use the shut-off valve to stop the gas if it's a gas dryer. Take a look at how the vent hose is connected in the back of your dryer. It may be held in place by screws or by clips or maybe just with a special kind of tape. So next, you'll want to disconnect the vent hose from the back of your dryer. Using the brush attachment in your kit, reach as far into the hose as possible and gently remove whatever lint you find there. Then reconnect your vent hose, move your dryer back into place, and power it up or turn your gas back on. Run a quick drying cycle with a couple of towels to catch any residual lint in the system. Dryer maintenance is simple, and it's something where a little goes a long way. So keep your filter clean and you'll save yourself a lot of issues down the road. By taking a little time to clean out the trap occasionally, and don't forget to clean out the vent hose too, you'll find your dryer works more efficiently, cleans your clothes, or dries your clothes, I should say, faster, and it's going to last a whole lot longer. Don't forget to check out my video where I show you how to clean your washing machine too, right now.